New part, baby. Man, we got the bottom half tech on. You know, the drip is immaculate. Got the Crocs. You know what I'm saying? But if you do not know, today in Boston it's about to be like 70 degrees. And a part I've been waiting 4 months for has finally came in. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. And then also I did a giveaway for the LED kit, and I picked the winner last night. So I think I'm gonna meet up with him, give that to him. But today we got another install. I think I'm gonna go get directly right into it. I don't know if I'm gonna do a step-by-step tutorial, probably just a time lapse like I always do. But it's just simple, easy stuff. It's a BLITZ STRUT tower bar. Y'all know how that goes. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, spin the car around and get started. I need to grab the stand. Let me see if I put the stand over here. I need to grab the stand, and oh, it's right here. So got the camera, gonna grab the stand, gonna turn around the car and get to work, baby.
My windows tinted, they can't see me if I'm in it. Long distance, I might use it.
So it looks like all Japanese instructions, but I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be too hard to install. Self-explanatory, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox this full thing, get all the pieces out. So yep, everything's unboxed. Pure authentic BLITZ STRUT tower bar. I pre-ordered this, waited 4 months. I think it was stuck on a boat, that little boat in Cali, not too sure. Comes with a sticker, everything's in what, Japanese, I believe. So excuse me if I'm wrong, but yeah, I think the red on this would accent the little red I already have on the car. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, get the camera set up outside and get the car turned around and get ready to install this on it. To line things up, I'm just seeing where everything goes. So looks like everything's like metal on metal. There's already pre-drilled holes to put the strut bar. So and then it just connects in the middle. This comes attached with the connecting to put, you guys know what I mean. So this has some plastic over it. You guys see it's like pretty much self-explanatory. Got other bolts right here. So yeah, man, I think the red and black accents like all over the car. So I think I chose a good strut bar, not only for like just handling, but also for looks too. And pretty nice out, sun's beaming. So we're gonna go ahead and get this ready. We're not gonna be tightening anything down like to full spec right now, but what we're gonna do is just hand tighten these. Guys, we might have ran into a bit of a problem. My car is too low, so there is no way I can reach under and put the little like the nut in there. I don't know if that will focus. So like I said, everything hand tightened, coming together pretty nicely. Let me just adjust the camera lighting. So yeah, everything hand tightened. Like I told y'all, I have to jack up the car to even bolt those down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change out of the Nike Tech, or just put a pajama pants over it so I can work on the car and get on the ground, and then we'll take care of that and then bolt everything down. So your boy had to improvise. I had to go search around for my tools. I don't know where my dad put them, but luckily I had these in a bag. So you're gonna need a 12. It doesn't really say a size, but I think this might be 6mm, and this fits. I don't have the camera in my hand, but this fits pretty well on top of this. So we're gonna need both of these to tighten on the top of those. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead, your boy already changed, put on some sweats I don't give a fuck about, and we're gonna just jack up the car and see if we can stick our hand through, get the bolt underneath, and you know the rest. This jack is so rusty. Dylan, if you're watching this, bro, I miss you at the shop, bro, because dude, this has seen snow and all that bullshit. So problem number 2, I need to go get some wood planks to put the car on top of. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna stick my hand under here. I don't know if you guys can really tell. Look how dirty my car is. I need to go wash it right after this, but it's like right up under there. I don't know if you guys can tell. And then I'm gonna just get the bolt to thing in and just screw it down. You're gonna need both of these at the same time to tighten down this, and we're gonna tighten it down one time so we don't have to go back and deal with it ever again. First of all, I need to clean my engine bay, cause like look at this shit. But yo, it's not that bad, but it's a pain in the ass. Like I don't know if y'all can see by now. Hold on, I got all this light. Let me see if I can line it up and then zoom in. You see that? See that? You see how you gotta get in there, right there? Yeah. So your boy needs an underwash, but yeah, gotta take care of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on the other side. And I can't wait to get off these damn springs. Oops, did I say too much? This is not moving, so should be good. I'd rather an extender so I don't have to get as close to the spring as possible, and then I just throw the 12 on top. It's been a pain in the ass. So this is now down tight. It's not going nowhere. Just gotta tighten down these now, and this should be fairly easy. I'm gonna go set the camera up on the other stand. The sun's actually coming out too. So yeah, we about to get lit after this. What time is it? 1:30. Yeah, you have a bigger Allen key? Couldn't find an Allen key to fit, but my dad just brought me one. Haha. W dad. I don't know what size this is, so I didn't see my dad pull it out, but you gotta use it for both to tighten that and that. So everything is tight, nothing is moving. I checked it, everything seems good. Cleaned up everything, all said and done, got the stand. I'm gonna go change, get out these work pants, and take this thing for a spin. I know a lot of y'all is gonna ask me, is there a noticeable difference? And yo, I feel it already. The car is like a lot more responsive. Don't mind me, I'm just waking up my block. The car feels amazing though, I'm not gonna lie. It feels way better, especially that I lowered it. Now that I have that, man, it feels good. So right now I'm gonna enjoy this ride. I got my windows down and I'm gonna go drop off the winner's LED kit. I'm about to go meet him right now and just enjoy this ride. Woo! But yeah, no complaints, man. Noticeable difference.